Hey guys, how you doing? Hope you're having a wonderful day. In this lesson, I'm going to teach you how to use the Shape Builder tool in Adobe Illustrator. So first of all, this is where you can locate Shape Builder tool. So without further ado, let's get right to it. So what is the Shape Builder tool? Well, actually, the Shape Builder tool is a tool that allows you to merge or erase multiple objects in order to create a shape more complex. So the thing that Shape Builder tool does is that you would create several shapes, like several simpler shapes, and then using the Shape Builder tool, you can erase or you can merge these shapes into one complex shape or object. I think it would be best if I show you how you can use the Shape Builder tool in real life. First of all, bear in mind that the shapes and objects that we're using in this lesson are too simple, but the things that you can do with each one of these tools are much more greater than what is shown right here. But again, I will definitely add some real project and some real complex shapes and objects at the end of each course, just so you can see what you can do with a specific tool or with several tools together in order to achieve something great and something much more complex than what you see in tutorial videos. So let's start with something very simple. For example, let's say that you want to create a cloud. So obviously, there is no tool that you can choose and right off the bat create a cloud. So the thing that you gotta do is, alright, so first of all, use the ellipse tool to create some shapes like this. I don't know, something like this maybe. And now use the selection tool and then select all the objects that are present and then click on Shape Builder tool and then go over all of the parts that are inside these objects like this. So just to be sure, I'm going to do this and then release the button, and as you can see, now we have something like a cloud. So you can change the stroke, for example, change it to this, and then change the fill to something like this. Now I'm gonna change the stroke line to, let's say, okay, white. So it's something similar to a cloud. So this is the simplest thing that you can create using the Shape Builder tool. So let's delete this one. Again, let's use the ellipse tool, create some shapes like this, and then use the selection tool and then select all of these objects and then use the Shape Builder tool and go over every part that is inside this these shapes. And then, as you can see, you have your cloud. You can change the color like this, change the stroke weight, for example, do whatever you like, and there you have it. So this is the simplest thing that you can do with Shape Builder tool. For example, let's say that you want to create something like this for a project. I don't know, let's say that you want to something like this, maybe. All right, and then select all of them, or you might want to merge only these two shapes to something like this or something like this, or you can select this part too and then make it something like this. So as you can see, it'll remove the parts that are within each other and then make it a whole new shape. I mean, these circles are not separated from the middle part. So in a way, we changed and deleted the parts that are intersecting over here, and then it creates a whole new object like this. So this is only one object, so you don't need to group 3 objects at the end. So it'll do the same thing like grouping the object at the end. So let's delete this one too. Alright guys, so I think that is it for this lesson. So we will talk about it in more depth in future videos, and see you in the next videos, and have fun guys.